Hey Burners, I'm here with Dan the Man, the West Australian Manager of Nutrition Systems, the biggest supplement distributor in Australia. How you going? Thanks for being here, bro.
Well, what's up?
What do we have here?
We have Obvi Super Collagen.
So this guy here is a new style, new age collagen because they've gone the other way. Most collagens are they're all natural and they don't taste so good. These guys have gone next level and made the taste amazing.
Yeah, it's on point. Think of it like, I don't know, the flavors are legit. We've got, for instance, we've got the cinnamon cereal here.
Cocoa cereal as well.
Yeah.
So it's a good tasting collagen.
So something will be enjoyable to drink, yeah? Not a pain to get down, yeah?
Right, awesome. And we've got this on the website recently. It sold out straight away. People know about this product already.
Yes, it's make some big waves in the US, I think, as well. So,
all right,
yeah.
So I didn't know that. So in the USA, this product is going bananas.
Yes.
Right, okay. And that obviously translates to Australia as well. So it's 10 grams of collagen per serve. That's a decent amount. Most are like a 5 gram teaspoon.
Yeah, definitely. And we've also got some vitamin C and A in there to help with absorption. We've got some biotin added to it as well. So,
okay. So for those of people that are watching that don't know much about collagen, what is collagen good for?
Okay, so benefits include sort of like hair, skin, nails, basically bone and joint support, things like that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So if someone was taking whey protein, should they also be taking collagen?
Well, yeah, I mean, definitely if you obviously want some of those benefits that I've just mentioned as well. So it's obviously, if you're training hard as well, obviously you'll have anything that helps with joints and bone as well is going to help.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Okay, and I can see that in the amino acid profile per serving, there's heaps of EAAs and BCAAs in here as well, but the highest is glycine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think people don't realise that when they're pumping whey protein, which is great for recovery because it's high in leucine, it's offsetting their glycine requirements, which is one of the most important amino acids for detoxification and methylation. So I suppose it would be great to actually combine this at one time of the day and whey protein on the other side of the day.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And because it tastes nice and the flavours are good, and probably mix with some of your favourite whey proteins as well. So it won't mess up the flavour, probably. Yeah,
enhance it as well. And just lastly, I've noticed that this is hydrolyzed grass-fed collagen.
Yes.
So yes, it's super, super clean.
So the cows have been treated well.
Good, okay, and they've been fed grass, which is what you want in any meat product. There you go, excellent. So that's the lowdown from Dan, the man from Nutrition Systems, about the super collagen from Obvi. Delicious, nutritious, and probably necessary in this day and age for anyone training and those that aren't.
Word.
Cheers, Burners.